How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Corey, and I'm gonna give y'all a little shot of my 2022 RZR Pro XP4. Had it for a little over a year now, and it's been nothing but a blast. So, not to keep y'all waiting, I'm gonna grab my keys, grab my drone, and I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all stay tuned. So we done made it back to the garage. I appreciate y'all for taking time out, checking out this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share it to all your friends. I'll see y'all next time. Y'all be safe out there.